These are the dead pixels. First there were just few dead pixels looking like black dots. But the question is, how did they get so much bigger? And how did the dead pixels appear on my laptop screen on the first place? Watch the complete video to know more and to know how you can avoid from it getting so much bigger. So I was showing cartoons to my little cousin, and out of nowhere he threw toy on it and hit the laptop screen. At first, black dots appeared, and I was so worried about it. I tried to find solution online, and one said to apply pressure on the dots, and I also tried to slide finger with pressure from one side to another of black dots. But unfortunately it worsened it further, and more black dots appeared, and now it has formed like circle, and it is now unfixable. So what should we do? Only thing you need to do is nothing. Because after some time again another little cousin smashed pen on my laptop, and again black dots appeared. But this time I did nothing and left it there as it was. And after some days got fixed automatically itself. So if black dots or dead pixels appear on your screen, don't panic. You just need to wait for it to fix itself. Thanks for watching the complete video. Subscribe to help me and to have more videos like this.